People in St. Johns County are fighting against a potential drug treatment center opening in their neighborhood.
A public hearing has been announced to allow for a treatment center to open on West King Street in West Augustine, but people living nearby say this facility will negatively impact the community. Investigative reporter Riley Phillips has been speaking with a group of community members today.
And she's joining us now. Riley, these community members tell you they do not want this facility down the road.
Yes, I spoke with members of the community who live right down the street from this empty store location who tell me they're worried if a treatment center opens in this spot, how will it impact the community and their children? They say West King Street is the heart of West Augustine and they would rather see something like a community center take over this building.
Not that they don't need treatment and not that they don't need a center. We don't need it here.
Sandra Garden has lived in West Augustine for most of her life. She is one of several longtime residents who say they were surprised when they received the notice of a public hearing for a drug treatment center proposed for this vacant Family Dollar store right down the road from their homes.
This type of facility will not benefit our community. It will decrease property values. It will put children and seniors and families at risk.
The treatment center would be run by a company called New Season. It currently operates one other facility in St. Augustine and two in Jacksonville. The company's website states it offers help for opioid addiction, including counseling and methadone treatment. Robert Nimmons is the chairman of the West Augustine Community Redevelopment Area. He tells me this type of business does not fit their vision of revitalizing West Augustine.
We just recently had a couple come here that's started to build a Zora Neale Hurston house. That couple spent over $1 million in the house right next door to this facility right here. We also have a Kent Wright house, which was deemed now for a Martin Luther King beach house that just was brought to this community last year. We also have a new village of New Augustine apartment complex coming here that's going to cater to about 200 families. That's going to be right around the corner from here.
New Season is requesting a special use permit to allow for this drug treatment center. According to the St. Johns County Growth Management Department, a drug treatment center is considered a commercial facility and is listed as a special use within the West Augustine overlay area. The county's planning and zoning agency will now have to determine whether it finds this facility compatible with the area and does not cause a detriment to the public good. Community members tell me they will be doing everything they can to stop this facility from opening.
We've been fighting to get drugs out of our community, not bring them into our community. People do need help, they do need rehab, but this is not what we wanted.
And the public hearing for this treatment center is scheduled before the Planning and Zoning Agency at 1:30 in the afternoon on January 15th. That's next Thursday. There will also be community meetings held next Monday and Wednesday evening at the Solomon Calhoun Center ahead of the public hearing. I did reach out to New Season to find out why this specific location was chosen for a new treatment center. I'm still waiting to hear back. Jeannie.